Hello and welcome guys to Reception. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. In this video we are going to discuss the question paper pattern and tips for the ICSE 2021 Biology Board Examination. So do watch this video till the end, and if you like it, do hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Eduception if you haven't subscribed yet. Without further ado, let's begin. Let's begin with the question paper pattern. ICSE 2021 Biology. The ICSE 2021 Biology Board question paper will be of 80 marks and you will get 2 hours to solve the whole thing. You will also get additional 15 minutes to read the question paper before you start writing. The question paper is divided in 2 sections. Section 1 40 marks and Section 2 40 marks. Let's begin with Section 1. Section 1 40 marks. This is a compulsory section and you will have to attempt all the questions in this section. In Section 1 you will face short question and answers and objective type question and answers. You will get question 1 and question 1 will have 8 subparts of 5 marks each to give you 8 into 5 40 marks. What type of subparts will you get? You will get name the following, rewrite the statement, give biological reasons, match the following, choose the correct answer, choose the odd one out by giving reason, give full forms, and one diagrammatical based question. Now, these objective type questions were asked in the ICSE 2019 Biology Board question paper because the ICSE 2020 Biology Board Examination did not take place because of COVID-19. Now, you may face some other objective type questions also, like fill in the blanks or arrange the following or give the location and function of the following. So you might get those type of objective type questions also. But all the questions in Section 1 will be short question and answer type and objective type. So if you have a good grasp of biology, then you will face no problem in scoring 40 out of 40 in Section 1. Okay, now let's move on to Section 2. Section 2 40 marks. Attempt any 4 questions. In Section 2 you will get 6 questions. Question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Out of these 6 questions you will have to attempt any 4. All the questions are of 10 marks, so 4 into 10 gives you 40 marks. Now there is no chapter combination either in Section 1 or Section 2 of Biology, but I can tell you this, that you will get one diagrammatical based question over here in Section 1, and each and every question of Section 2 will have at least one diagram based question. Either you will be asked to answer based on the diagram or you will be asked to draw the diagram. So each and every question in Section 2 will have at least one diagram based question. That shows you how important diagrams are in biology. So guys, that was all regarding the question paper pattern of the ICSE 2021 Biology Board Examination. Now we will move on to a few tips using which you can maximize your score. Moving on to a few tips for your preparation. Now I know that a huge part of the biology syllabus has been taken out for the ICSE 2021 exam, but still there are many important parts left. If you want to score good in biology, you need to cover all the topics properly that are still left in your syllabus. Now, the 2 most important things with the preparation for biology are thorough reading and proper diagram based study. What do I mean by that? Say for example, you want to study the process of mitosis. To do that, you need to start reading from the very first of cell cycle till the very end of telophase. By doing that, you will cover entire mitosis process. So thorough reading of entire parts or entire processes is very important. Along with that, you will also have to study all the diagrams of IPMAT, interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So entire thorough reading and all the diagrams in the process. You have to study both the things to understand the entire process of mitosis. So thorough reading and diagram based study, very important for the preparation of biology. Let me give you another example. Say you want to study human heart. What will you do? You will study its location, its functions, the processes that are associated with it, etc., etc. Along with that, you will also have to study the entire diagram of the human heart and how it functions. That will help you understand all the concepts of human heart in a better way. So thorough reading along with proper diagram based study, that will surely help you. And I also told you that you will face many diagram based questions in the question paper, so that is important. Now let's go topic by topic. The first thing is cell cycle and cell division. I have already told you mitosis is very important. One question from IPMAT will definitely be there. By IPMAT I mean interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So one question will definitely be there. Study it properly and study it along with the diagrams, both for animal cell and plant cell. Study all the definitions and concepts that are in that chapter. Study the structure of chromosome and study the structure of DNA properly, all the terms that are associated with it. The minute details are very important in these chapters, so do that properly. Moving on to the next section, that is plant physiology, that is absorption by roots, transpiration and photosynthesis. Definitions are very important in this part. Along with definitions, all the concepts that are associated with it. Then experiments are also very important in this part. Study all the experiments that are there and study them along with the diagram. So that is important. Then you have the location and functions and every minute detail. Now with biology, I think you know that you have to study every minute detail that is present in the nooks and corners of the book. So do that. That will surely help you to score good marks. Experiments very important, like I told you in plant physiology. Moving on to the final part, that is human anatomy. You have circulatory system, you have excretory system, you have nervous system and you have the endocrine system. Study everything properly over there. Each and everything, especially the diagrams, like I told you, those things are very important. Now the syllabus has been reduced a lot for biology. So by studying less, you can easily score good marks in biology. So try to cover each and everything that is still left in your syllabus, and I know you will score amazingly well. Along with all this, studying the last 10 years question paper of biology is also very important. Now we have covered the ICSE 2019, 2018 and 2017 biology board question paper. The link to those videos will be in the description box below. You can check those out. So study at least the last 10 years question paper of biology to understand what type of questions are asked. You don't have to go out of the syllabus. Study everything that is present in your syllabus. Okay. Now guys, with that I come to an end of this video. I know you guys will do amazingly well in the biology examination. So all the best. New videos on Eduception are coming very soon. Until then, stay tuned. As always, this is Rishi on behalf of Eduception, signing off.